This is breaking news.
Lawsuit against Jay-Z, Diddy dismissed by accuser's attorney. NewsNation. The lawsuit accusing Jay-Z, born Shawn Carter, and seen Diddy Combs of raping a 13-year-old girl in 2000 has been dismissed by the accuser's attorney, according to new court filings. The voluntary dismissal filing, obtained by Variety, said the accuser hereby gives notice that the above-captioned action is voluntarily dismissed with prejudice. Prejudice prevents the accuser, identified only as Jane Doe, or her lawyers from refiling the lawsuit as it was first written. Previ ois. Jay-Z accused of sexually assaulting 13-year-old in 2000 with scene Diddy Combs. Roc Nation, Jay-Z's entertainment company, issued a statement calling the dismissal a victory. The frivolous, fictitious, and appalling allegations have been dismissed. This civil suit was without merit and never going anywhere. The fictional tale they created was laughable, if not for the seriousness of the claims, reads the statement, which was signed by Jay-Z. The statement mentioned that his wife, Beyoncé, and their 3 children have endured trauma as a result of the accusations. The court must protect victims of coercion, while with the same ethical responsibility, the courts must protect the innocent from being accused without a shred of evidence. May the truth prevail for all victims and those falsely accused equally, the statement continued. Lawsuit accuses Jay-Z and Diddy of rape. Originally filed in October 2024, the suit named only Diddy. An amended complaint in December identified Jay-Z as Celebrity A, who was accused of raping the 13-year-old while Celebrity B, a female, watched. Following the filing, Jay-Z released a lengthy response accusing the lawyer behind the accuser's suit of attempting to blackmail him. Seeing Diddy Combs dangled victim over a balcony, prosecutors say as they add details to case. What he had calculated was the nature of these allegations and the public scrutiny would make me want to settle. Jay-Z's statement reads in part, "No sir, it had the opposite effect. It made me want to expose you for the fraud you are in a very public fashion. So no, I will not give you one red penny." Diddy indictment. Diddy has pleaded not guilty to federal sex trafficking charges contained in indictment, unsealed the day after his September 16 arrest. Charges include allegations he coerced and abused women for years, aided by associates and employees, and silenced victims through blackmail and violence, including kidnapping, arson, and physical beatings. He has remained incarcerated pending a May 5 trial after his bond request was denied for a 3rd time in late November. Combs' indictment came after months of speculation about a possible federal investigation tied to civil lawsuits, alleging abuse and sexual assault spanning more than 30 years. Seen Diddy Combs sues NBC over new documentary as he awaits trial on sex trafficking charges. The indictment alleges Combs lured in women with promises of a romantic relationship before using intimidation and threats to have them engage in prostitution at reported so-called freak-offs. There, victims were allegedly drugged and told to engage in sex acts with male sex workers for an extended period while someone filmed them. Combs allegedly kept some of the videos, sometimes without the victim's knowledge. The indictment states that Combs and the victims often required IV fluids afterward due to physical exertion. NewsNation's Liz Jussin, Katie Smith, and the Associated Press contributed to this report. Copyright 2025 Nexstar Media, Incorporated, all rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, rewritten, or redistributed.